everyone, Gagajoy here. I'm glad you dropped in. Today we're going to be making pie, I guess, or cake. I don't know which one you would call it. Casserole? No. Anyway, it's made with pretzels and fruit. And I'm sure you've made this with the strawberry and the pretzels. This one is a little different because it's the pretzels, but it's made with mandarin oranges and pineapple. I saw this not long ago, and I thought, well, I'm going to give that a try. So that's what we're going to do today. And it's a try. First of all, you put 2 cups of pretzels, and I've already crushed them, in your plate. I'm just using a regular baking, 9 by 13 baking dish. Okay. Now that was a block. I didn't even measure that. Okay. And the next is 1 tablespoon of sugar. This was 3/4 cup of butter, which I thought was not. I'm going to save a little bit back. Can't hardly take that much, but I guess it does with it. Yeah, it would. I've made the strawberries so many times. I probably can make this with my eyes shut. My friend is going to an association meeting tomorrow, and she's taking another friend to the doctor. So I'm going to make this, and then we'll all be involved in everything. Okay, now that's the bottom. It's 2 cups of pretzels, a tablespoon of sugar, and 3/4 cup of butter, pure butter. I've got my oven set for 350. It'll go in here for 10 minutes. Okay, now I just took my pretzels out of the oven. They've been in there 10 minutes, and I've got to pull them here to make them, put them there to make them while they cool. And now is your orange Jell O. You can have 1 whole box, take 1 whole box or 2 small boxes. Same, they have the same weight. I love orange Jell O. And actually I think it's so pretty this time of year too. But I thought that's one reason I started leaning towards this week. I have another Jell O recipe that I always fix for Easter, and one that I fix for Thanksgiving, and one I fix for Christmas. Easter's lemon, Thanksgiving's orange, Christmas is red. Okay, now drain my oranges and my pineapple in the same thing, since it's going in the same thing. Now, that looks good. Now, this has to cool in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Well, what I've done now is I've taken the cream cheese, and I've just stirred it till it sort of becomes smooth. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now this will be the filling between the crust and the Jell O. This is so good between those two. Okay. Now we're going to put whipped cream in it to fluff it up a little bit so it won't be so solid. And my dog has undoubtedly found a bird in the yard. Now, and when you get through, you can put another whipped topping on top if you want to. I personally like it just the Jell O, but it makes pretty if you want to cut it up in a family situation or a crowd situation. A little bit of whipped cream would be very pretty. Now we can go ahead and put this over our, yeah, it's getting cool. Yeah, spatula would help. Problem will. Although they're down pretty tight. This is the time of the evening that little dog loves to go out and bark with the birds, bark at the birds, and sometimes the possums. And I think she deserves to. That turned out just about right, didn't it? Okay, now I'm going to put this in the refrigerator with our Jell O, and we'll be ready in about 20 minutes. Well, I think we're ready to finish everything. I've had this in the refrigerator now for about 4 to 5 minutes. So this has been there about the same time. So now it looks beautiful. And I won't even get a piece of it. Doesn't it look pretty? Well, like I said, this is going back in the refrigerator, of course, and it will set up overnight. It'll have to be overnight, maybe 2 hours, yeah. Well, I hope you tried this one because everybody likes the strawberry, and this is, what can I say? It's good. Well, I'm glad we're together, and I'm glad we did this today. We'll catch up tomorrow. Have a good night. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. See you soon.